Hi kids. In this session you are going to learn about drainage system of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's lifeline is rivers. It has so many rivers, but in this one Kaveri, Palar, Ponniyar, Vaigi and Tamirabarani are the notable ones. Most of the rivers of Tamil Nadu originate from western Ghats and flow towards east and drain into the Bay of Bengal. All the rivers of the state are non-perennial except Tamirabarani because Tamirabarani fed by both southwest and northeast monsoons. Now we will move on to the Kaveri river. The river Kaveri originates at Talakaveri in the Brahmagiri hills of Kodagu district of Karnataka in the western Ghats. About 416 km of its course falls in Tamil Nadu. It serves as the boundary between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu for a distance of 64 km. It forms Hogenekkal waterfalls in Dharmaburi district. Mettur Dam, also called as the Stanley Reservoir, is located across this river in Salem district. A tributary called Bhavani joins Kaveri on the right bank about 45 km from the Mettur Reservoir. Thereafter, it takes easterly course to enter into the plains of Tamil Nadu. The other tributaries are Noyal and Amaravati. The river on the right bank at Tirumukkodal, 10 km from Karur. The river is wider in this region where it is called as Aganda Kaveri. In Tiruchirappalli district, the river branches into two parts. The northern branch is called Kollurun or Kollidam and the southern branch remains Kaveri. The two branches join again to form the Srirangam island. The grand Anaicut, also called as Kallanai, was built across the river Kaveri. The network of distributaries within the delta of Kaveri in the coast is called as the Garden of Southern India. It merges into Bay of Bengal to the south of Kadalur. Next, Palar. The Palar river rises behind Talagavara village in the Kolar districts of Karnataka. The Palar drains an area of 17,871 square kilometer. Ponni, Gondiana Nadi, Malattar, Cheyyar and Killiyar are its major tributaries. It flows through the districts of Vellore and Kanjipuram before entering into Bay of Bengal near Kovattur. Then Pannayar. It originates from the eastern slope of Nandi Durga hills in eastern Karnataka. It flows for a distance of 247 km and it flows into the districts of Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi, Vellore, Tirunamalai, Kadalur and Viluppuram. It having two branches, Kadilam and the Ponnayar near Tirukoilur Anaicut. Kadilam joins the Bay of Bengal near Kadalur and Ponnayar near the Union Territory of Puducherry. Heavy rain at the river source cause sudden floods. The river is extensively dammed for irrigation. There are reservoirs at Krishnagiri and Sathanur across the river. The Ponnayar is considered sacred by Hindus and festivals are held during the Tamil month of Thai. Vaigai. The river rises from the eastern slopes of Varasunadu hills of western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. It drains an area of 7,741 square kilometer. It lies entirely in the state of Tamil Nadu. It flows through the districts of Madurai, Sivaganga and Ramanathapuram. It discharges its water into the Ramnath Big Tank and some other small tanks. The surplus water from the tanks is finally discharged into the Park Strait near Ramanathapuram. Tamirabarani. The name is interpreted as Tamiram and Varunai. Tamiram is copper, Varunai is stream of river. The water of this river gives a copper-like appearance due to the presence of dissolved suspended red soil. The red soil, it is not solved, okay, dissolved red soil alone we are getting that. It originates from a peak in Podigai Hills on the Western Ghats above Papanasam in the Ambasamutram Taluk. The origin of the river is associated with the sage Agasthyar. It courses through the districts of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi, and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal near Punnaikayal in Thoothukudi district. Karayar, Servalar, Manimuttar, Gandanadi, Pachayar, Chittar, Ramanadi are its main tributaries. Major islands of Tamil Nadu are Pamban, Har, Krusadai, Nalladannai Teevu, Pullivasal, Srirangam, Upputhanni, Kattupalli, Kuibal Island and Vivekananda Rock Memorial.